the top 5 best heavy-duty zipper recommendation. Recommendation number 1. YAHOGA 1072-inch separating large plastic zippers. For many outdoor use. For sleeping bag and tent. For boat, canvas and boat cover. For trampoline and dog bed. And for other sewing projects and crafts. Double pull zippers. The size of teeth is 10. The width is about 8. The colors are black and white. The teeth is resin. Zips smoothly. With double tab slider. Openable from both sides. One-way separating. Open end. Left-handed. Recommendation number 2. LEEKAYER 2PCS 10 24-inch heavy-duty zippers. 10 large white heavy-duty plastic zippers with enameled metal double-tab slider. It is openable from both sides. Length 24-inch from bottom to top. The full length is 25-inch end-to-end. Zipper quantity 2. Package color white tape. Zipper application for sewing, sleeping bag, boat canvas, cover, trampoline, tents, dog bed, jackets, and other outdoor products. This zipper made from resin plastic to ensure extra strength and reliability environmentally. Recommendation number 3. Super large plastic zipper. This item is super large zipper size 20. Very large teeth and strong with big puller. Large zipper with big teeth. The teeth wide is 14 when zipped. Very huge and strong. Large zipper quantity 2 PCS separate zippers plus 2 PCS matched sliders packed into one plastic bag. Large plastic zipper pullers, plastic sliders with big ring pullers. Zippers used for DIY sewing, tailors, crafts, bags, toys, or other special items, etc. Recommendation number 4. ZIPPERSTOP YKK 24 Extra Heavy Duty Jacket Zipper. ZIPPERSTOP Wholesale Authorized Distributor YKK Sale 24 Extra Heavy Duty Jacket Zipper. YKK 10 Brass Separating Color 568 Seal Bra. YKK Extra Heavy Duty Brass Separating Zipper. Made from the finest quality metal to ensure extra strength and reliability. Virtually indestructible. Color may vary on your monitor. Recommendation number 5. EZ-XTEND LENZIP 10 Separating Zipper. LENZIP Zipper is the only 10 zipper manufacturer that backs up their product with a promise that their zipper will last the life of the canvas. Offers smooth, long-life performance plus resistance to yellowing and breakdown. It's made in the USA with UV-stabilized DuPont Delrin. Extra zipper slider and zipper stops that allows you to shorten zippers to the required length. It is very easy to install and use for a beginner. You can use them as they are or cut them to fit smaller items. These zippers will come in handy. Works great for your craft projects,